Hey y'all, hey. Well, have you ever asked yourself what's the difference between regularly journaling and actually journaling for your spiritual growth and healing? Or perhaps you've even asked, how do you make your journaling time most impactful to help ensure that you are growing? Well, if that's you, you've come to the right place. Hello, if you're joining me for the very first time, my name is Indiana Tuggle, and I am an author, speaker, and kingdom writing coach. And I help women to heal, grow spiritually, and achieve their dreams all through books, journals, and planners. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, then make sure you go ahead and click subscribe to my channel so you can join me here weekly for your journaling for spiritual growth tips. Now that we've got the preliminaries out of the way, I wanted to talk to you this week about the two essential tools or essential keys that you must have to ensure that your journaling time is most impactful. Now, the difference between journaling and writing to heal is basically found in these two essential tools that I'm going to talk to you about today. And the first thing is that you have to give your words direction. Right? Normally when you're just doing random journaling, you're not really doing anything focused, right? You're just sitting down, writing about your day, writing about something that happened to you, writing about something that was said, writing about something that you've experienced on the day. However, when you give your words a direction, you are writing to someone. It could be to yourself, it could be to God, which is generally how I give my words direction. I am writing to God because what I have uncovered is that journaling is communication with God. It is a form of worship. It is a form of prayer. So when I write to God, I am inviting him into that time, inviting him into the atmosphere, inviting him into my broken areas to ignite that communication, right? So he is expecting me to not only write to him, but then to also sit and listen for him to respond. The second thing that you have to do to ensure that your journaling is impactful is that you have to give your study time focus, right? That's why I'm not into random journaling. Right? So you give your study time focus by picking a specific topic that you are going to focus on. Now I'm going to do another video that shows you how to get started and how to pick your topic, but this is why the book that I showed you guys that had the topical study of the Bible. That book will help you to look up each topic, and then within that topic, it gives you a list of scriptures related to that topic, and you can start your journaling search through there, right? I prefer that method as opposed to just asking someone at random, what book of the Bible should you read? Your study time, your spiritual growth and development is going to be dependent upon you being honest with yourself. You making an honest self-assessment of where you are and where you want to be. You being able to sit down with you and look yourself in the mirror and say, I need to grow more in this area, right? For 2024, I'm focusing on trust. Right? Trusting God and trusting what he's called me to do, trusting the plans that he has put on the inside of me, and trusting his guidance and his leadership. So I'm going to be doing a study on trust. And when I go into that study, you have to immerse yourself in the topic. Don't just read scriptures. Go out and find you books from your favorite authors, books from respected authors. Also, you can look for additional sermon tools, a sermon series on the object as well from your favorite pastor or your own pastor or your favorite speaker. And the reason that I say from your favorite author or from your favorite speaker is because I don't believe in too many voices. When it comes to your spiritual growth and development, and it comes to you growing your relationship with God, you're going to have to be able to distinguish his voice from others. And when you have too many voices, that can impact on you being able to discern what voice is God and what voice is yours and what voice is somebody else's. Because God sounds like you, right? He sounds like your inner voice. So you need to know when it's you talking, when it's him talking, or when it's somebody else. And if your leader has a sermon series, then go through and read and listen to those series, because you need the voice of your leader as well. So you'll be able to distinguish that voice as well. That is also the reason why in my last video I told you to use one specific version of the Bible. Right? Because you're distinguishing from too many voices. You're ensuring that you are able to discern the voice of God from your own and others. Okay? Now, again, if you made it this far, click like, click subscribe, and join me on our journaling journey to get to grow this year, to achieve our goals this year, and to be better than what we were last year. Thank you, and have a good day.